I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by assessing and stopping further damage. Scrape away loose paint and press the wood to find soft spots. You want a firm substrate. Once done, sand edges with 80-120 grit to feather transitions so new coating bonds. Make sure to wear a dust mask and goggles. This protects you and keeps the surface clean. Prepare primer and paint now, because proper adhesion depends on surface texture and dryness. Damp wood guarantees failure. You repair damaged areas next. Replace large rot or inject epoxy for small voids. This restores structural integrity and prevents future peeling. After repair, sand the entire area to 120-150 grit to create consistent tooth. This helps primer wet out evenly. Once sanded, remove dust with a tack cloth and vacuum. Primer will fail on dirty surfaces. Apply a single even coat of primer, following flash times. This seals wood and improves paint adhesion, which is critical. You finish by applying 2 thin top coats, allowing the proper recoat window stated on the label. Thin coats dry evenly and resist cracking. Make sure temperature is between 50 and 85 degrees F and humidity is under 70%. Environment affects film formation. Once final coat cures, inspect for edge lifting. If peeling returns, do an adhesion test, and if failing, strip to bare wood, reprime, and verify substrate dryness. This is the key troubleshooting step to stop repeat peeling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.